Valentine's Day is Thursday the 14th, but Martha Stewart is celebrating romance all week on her show. And she knows the best way to lure me into her kitchen is through my sweet tooth.
What are we doing here?
Well, I thought I'd show you how to make some truffles. Chocolate truffles, essential for Valentine's Day. Are you ready to get dirty?
I'm ready.
Down and dirty?
Let's go.
Okay, so take 2 fingers and pick up some chocolate and just put it in the palm of your hand like that. Roll this nice little chocolate truffle right in your palm. Get it completely coated gently, and then just drop it into cocoa.
Now this would be cool to do on Valentine's Day, I guess.
Yeah, just think. All the ramifications. Wow. The chocolate does not have to just stay on your hand.
Now what favorite gift have you received on Valentine's Day?
Well, I like diamonds, pearls, a nice car. I actually need a car. I
You need a car. Martha wants some big gifts.
But back to the truffles, just grab a little strainer and dust them off. Then chill and serve, and you'll be ready for sweet surrender.
Good, huh? You like chocolate?
I do like chocolate.
Okay.
But it's nothing compared to the advice Martha gave me for Valentine's Day.
Meet one girl for lunch, meet someone else for tea, and then the most special one for dinner. And then at 10 o'clock at night or 11 o'clock, then call the one you really want.
It just got a little hotter in this kitchen.
Loving Martha right about now.